Here it is, case 3, box break number 3 out of Bowman Sterling. Go on, grab a spot, man. There's still time in the game. Come on. Sea Fry should be good for at least 5. So here's everybody up in it. All right, so box number 3 out of this case. That's why I always keep the cases. They're always yours. I never mess around and get them out of order and do anything because case hits are guaranteed in Bowman Sterling. So here we go with a little Bowman Sterling. Grab up those spots in platinum. Thought you guys weren't going to let me down. Come on. You guys don't think I got the hot hand, huh? All right. See, Freckles, only need one. Touche. Touche. All right, Lucci's Pure Fly. And then Paul Richardson. Lake. Get some of these out here for us. And then first, just keeping the trends going here. Keep it short print. 52 out of 75, Ebroon. 8-man's already in for 5 spots. Help him out. 52 out of 75. Then you got a 2-color patch. Dante Moncrief going to Indy. Flava. There you go, Bob. Then you got Xavier Grimble, Marion Grice, Kevin Norwood, and Jay Samaro. So going to those Jets, A.O. Shea. Here you go, Bub. And then you got a nice patch there of Trey Mason. So Trey Mason there. The score of that game was 28. 24, third quarter. Just write myself a reminder here. All right. Then you got Dre Archer, Dante Moncrief, and Larry and Haha Clinton Dix, 40 out of 75. Going to GB, 8-man. And then Aaron Donald. Going to St. Louis. Then you got Logan Thomas. 3-color patch in there. So it's down to 13. Come on. I thought we were going to rock it out. Everybody was so confident. They were like, dude, he'll sell out in like 2 seconds. Bruce Ellington, Aaron Murray, Karan Reed, and you got Kevin Norwood going to Sleepless in Seattle. So Hawkward 12. There you go, Bob. Kevin Norwood. Stevie just got another. Now we're down to 11. I mean, we have to see what's in the second part of it. And then I see Sammy Watkins, 3-color patch going to Buffalo. So Troll Toll. Here you go, bub. Bishop, Jeremy Hill. Then you got Robert Heron, 12 out of 99. Going to Tampa Bay. They got A.J. McCarron to Cincy. Ram Canader. Put him on the board. And then a 3-color patch, Allen Robinson. going to Jacksonville, so that'll be C-Fry. Put him back on the board. Then you got Logan Thomas, Taj Boyd, Tom Savage, and then a Terrence West. I'll tell you what, the rest of this case, for some reason, dude, it's going to be just like it was last time, where it's just going to be plumb full for Sterling. So I'll make sure to hold on to that. That's Terrence West going to Cleveland. Big Dog, 808. There you go, bub. And then a Jace Amaro. And then the box topper here. Actually, pretty slick looking Trey Mason, 19 out of 75. 3-color patch. Going to St. Louis, Stevie F. $19 out of 75. So now, the rest of that case is gonna look strong to quite strong next time we do it. So I'll make sure to put it on the burner for us. That was case 3, box number 3.